Okay, so this is another problem from Resnick Halliday chapter 2, problem number 55. The problem is the acceleration of a marble in a certain fluid is proportional to the speed of the marble squared and is given in SI units by A is equal to minus 3 V square for all V greater than 0. If the marble enters this fluid with a speed of 1.5 meters per second, how long will it take before the marble speed is reduced to half of its value? So what we are given is, we are given A is equal to minus 3 V square. We are also given that at time t is equal to 0, V naught is 1.50 meters per second. That is, when the marble enters the fluid, we take that time to be 0, and V naught, that is the initial speed, the speed with which the marble entered the fluid, is 1.5 meters per second. So what we have to find out is how much time does it take so that the marble speed is actually the half of this value. That is, how much time does it take so that the V final is 1.5 by 2 meters per second. So in order to solve this problem, we have to use integral calculus. We can write that acceleration is equal to dv by dt is equal to minus 3 v square. I'm actually ignoring the precision right now, but we will worry about this later. Right now, let us write it as minus 3 v square. So what it means is, we can write it as dv by v square is actually equal to minus 3 dt. Now if we integrate it from time t is equal to 0 to some time, say tf, minus 3 dt, this is same as v initial and v final dv by v square. Over here what we have is minus 3 and the integral of dt is t. So integral of dt is t. The limits are vf, it's tf, and t0 is 0. Similarly, over here the integral is minus 1 by v, that is v to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, so we will get minus 1 by v, and this limit over here is vf minus vi. So what we have over here is minus 3 times tf minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by vf minus 1 by vi. So this is equal to minus 3 tf is equal to minus 1 by vf plus 1 by vi, or we can write it like 3 TF is equal to, we just multiply this by minus 1 also, so we get 1 by Vf minus 1 by Vi. So now we already know Vf and Vi. We have Vf is equal to Vi slash 2 minus 1 by Vi. So this 2 goes over here and we get Tf is equal to 2 by 3 Vi. I'm sorry, is equal to 2 by Vi minus 1 by Vi multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by Vi, or now we can simply put in values over here. So the time that it takes to reach half the velocity is simply 1 by 3. Vi is given is 1 into 1.50, or T is actually equal to 1 by 4.50 seconds, and this is our answer over here.